Today I'm at the Marketplace IGA here in Mount Lawley. This local WA family-owned supermarket has recently gone through some major changes. The revamped store has turned into a foodie's heaven for its local community. Groceries, fresh fruit and veg, cheeses, you name it, it's all here. But today I'm after some Amelia Park rump steak. What is it about the Marketplace IGA here in Mount Lawley that the locals love so much?
Yeah, well, I think, Brendan, we've got something for everyone here. So whether it's the gourmet food that people use for entertaining with their friends or thousands of specials every week that we have here, I think we're catering to everyone in Mount Lawley. We have a wide range of suppliers as well that are unique to this store. So foodies can come in here and find products here that they won't be able to find in many other WA supermarkets.
Awesome, Greg. Well, that sounds incredible. I'm looking forward to cooking up with this. I'm going to get into the kitchen. Thank you so much. Today, I'm showcasing this amazing piece of Amelia Park beef rump steak, and I'm going to be making a Korean bibimbap, which is basically marinated beef in a rice bowl with a whole bunch of veggies and condiments. It's really tasty, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. So let's get started. I've got my rump steak here, which I'm going to slice really thinly. The rump steak, I think, is a great cut for this dish. It's not got too much fat on it, and it's packed full of flavor, so it'll really complement our rice bowl. Once I've got my steak nicely sliced as thinly as possible, for our marinade, I have some light soy sauce. I also have, for some sweetness, some honey. I'm also adding some toasted sesame oil, just some garlic, which I'll grate into the bowl. Finally, to help tenderize the meat and give it just a bit of a different flavor, I have an apple. I'm gonna give that a good mix, make sure it's nice and combined. I'm gonna set my beef aside to marinate and get working on the veggies and condiments. Some bean sprouts and also some spinach. I'm just gonna quickly blanch those in some boiling water. Once they're cooked, what I'll do is run them under cold water really quickly to stop them from cooking. I'm gonna do the same with the spinach, and they shouldn't take as long. They'll just go in for about 20 seconds. So I'm gonna bunch it up. I'm just gonna chop it really quickly. Straight into my bowl. What I'm adding to that is a pinch of salt, a little splash of toasted sesame oil, and just to give it a little bit of a bite, the tiniest bit of raw garlic grated. Cool. We're just going to give that a good mix. And that's our spinach done. I'm going to do the exact same with the bean sprouts. A bit of salt, a bit of sesame oil, and a bit of garlic. I have carrots here. I'm just going to grate them into, I guess, matchsticks or like julienne. So instead of blanching the carrots, what I'm going to do is saute them really quickly with some grapeseed oil. Let's add a pinch of salt. I'm going to transfer them to my plate, and we're going to fry our eggs for our rice bowl. Awesome, the eggs are done. I'm just going to set those aside. All I have to do is cook the meat until it's nicely caramelized. All right, now the beef's cooked. I have some rice just to set up the base of that rice bowl. Let's add on some of that beef. We'll add on some of that spinach that we cooked earlier on. Some of those bean sprouts. We've got some of that carrot, which we sauteed. I've also got some kimchi here, but it adds a nice acidic note to it. We'll add on one of those fried eggs. I have gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. And to finish, I have some toasted sesame seeds. There we have it, guys. They say we eat with our eyes first, and how good does this look?